Hello everyone and welcome to a new video. So in this video we're going to be starting a new series, and this series is about creating a React Native application that we're going to be able to submit to the iOS App Store and also to the Google Play Store. So we're going to be submitting to both. We're going to start with Apple, with the iOS Store, and you will need some things for this, but I'll explain down the road. And right now what I'm going to be doing is just setting up everything. We're going to start with the Hello World application, which is the traditional one to start with. And yeah, we'll just set up everything right now. Okay, so let's get started. Okay, so the first thing that we want to do is we want to start a project. I'm going to be using Cursor. If you want to debug, we can use AI. I'm going to try to do it as much as I can without the help of AI. But if I need AI, I will let you know and I will explain why I'm using it and how I'm using it. Okay, so you can open Visual Studio Project or like a project on Cursor. So what I'm going to be doing here is just going to open a project here on Cursor. Okay, so the name of the application is going to be called Alt Text Generator. We'll just leave it at Alt Text Generator app. And this is going to be an application where users will upload an image. They will upload the image, and maybe using the file name, we will create the alt text, or maybe we'll make a call to OpenAI and then create the alt text. We'll see how it goes, but this is going to be the application that I'm going to create. Okay, so open. And this is just like a dummy application, and this is just for you so that you can learn all the process from scratch to create one application for the iOS store and for the Google Play Store as well. So once you have your project, I just made this full screen, and what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to go to Terminal, New Terminal, and here in Terminal we're going to issue some commands. Okay, so once we have our terminal here, what we want to do is, and maybe I can make this bigger. Let's see. Okay, yeah. So what we want to do is we want to issue the following command: npx is React Native, and here we have community /CLI, and then we'll say we'll use the latest init React Native. Well, here you don't want to say React Native tutorial. We can just call it Alt Text Generator app. Okay, so basically what we're doing here is we're using npx because we don't want to install the packages, the node packages globally. We want to install them just in this folder, folder that we created, and then this is so that we can install the latest CLI so that we can start working on the terminal. And then in it, we're just initializing like in a new project, a new React Native project. Okay, so that's basically what this does. And this is going to be inside of this project. Maybe I should change the name. Maybe let's just leave it at Alt Text Generator. And then it will be different than this folder. So just so that we don't get confused. Okay, and let's just issue this command. And now we'll just have to wait. All right, so you'll see something like this: welcome to React Native. So downloading the template and copying the template. Okay, and we're going to be using TypeScript. It's going to have the iOS project, the Android project, and we can get started with that. Okay, so let's just give it a second. It's working on it, and not too many active changes. Okay, I don't care too much about that right now, so let's just leave it at that. Okay, so this is creating the project right now, and you can see that it's being created, and it says, do you want to install CocoaPods now? Yes, we will need this so that we can run it on iOS, okay? And you need to have Xcode as well. So I'll just put yes. Yeah, and then it will start installing CocoaPods. So let's see. All right, so usually this takes some time, so I'll be back once this is all installed, but yes. Okay, it is installed. Okay. So we have done the following. So we have downloaded the template, copied the template, all of that. We have installed CocoaPods, which we're going to be using for iOS project. It says here, needed for running iOS project. We have installed these Ruby gems, CocoaPods dependencies once again, and initialize a Git repo. Okay, so that's what we've done right now. Okay, so now we should be ready to start our project. So basically what we want to do is we want to also open Xcode. So I'm going to open Xcode here. Where do I have it? And I'll show you. So here, Xcode. So if you don't have Xcode installed, please install it because we're gonna be using it. Okay, and basically, I'm just gonna open an existing project. Okay, so then you wanna go where your project is. So in my case, it's here, alt text generator. You wanna go to iOS, and then you wanna open the one that says XC Workspace, okay? Let's double click on that one, and this will open this here. And you have some of the things here, the pods and everything here. And what you want to do is you want to change this. This is my iPhone, but I'm going to change it to something on the simulator. So you want to go to the iOS simulators here. And then you want to pick which one you want, where you want to run it on. So I'm just going to pick this phone here, iPhone 16 Pro. And then I'm going to go back here. Let me make this bigger once again. And what I want you to do here is I want you to go into the project that you created, alt text generator. That's it, which is this one here. Okay, so we want to go into that project, and that's where we want to do npm install. All right. So everything has been installed already. So I'm not going to clear this so that you can see what's going on. But what I want to do now is I want to run this. So I'm just going to go and say npm star. Okay, it says that this one is already running. That's because I'm running a different project. Let me just kill it. And then let me try it again. The npm start. Okay, so now you can see that's running on 8081. 8080 will be the one that you will be running on. I think I have something else running, that's why it picked that one. But yeah, basically right now it's running, and this is what we wanted to run there. And then we want to go here, and we want to press where it says play, and this will start building this project. Okay, so this will take some time, and you can see it here that's building. You can see it there. Yeah, but we can just wait, or we can just recap what we did. So basically, we have created like the project here using this command here, and I will have like a write-up as well, and I'll put this on GitHub so that you can maybe just copy or just clone it, okay? And then what we did was install CocoaPods. We cd'd into this application here, or this folder, and then did npm install just to double check everything, npm star, and now it's running here. So right now what we're doing is we're just running it on the simulator here. Okay, so this will take some time, as I said. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. So we're building a React Native application, and we'll take it all the way to the App Store, to the Apple App Store, and also to the Google Play Store. So stick around, subscribe to the channel, and share this with other people if you want them to if you want to help them to learn as well. Okay, so let's just wait a few minutes. All right, so you can see that we have our application. You saw it there. It's bundling. So let's just give it a, okay, welcome to React Native. Hello world, open to get a start. Okay, so we have our application. So you can see that's running here, and these are just some links so that you can learn React Native. Okay, so basically what we want to start changing is this place here, the app.tsx, and here we have the new app screen, which will, I think I moved it, so it's here, which is this one, it's this one there, okay? But we don't want that, we just wanted to say hello world, so we're just gonna change this. We'll just say text. Okay, just added the same thing. Hello world, just read my mind. Let me put some space there. Some indentation here. Sorry, tab doesn't work anymore. Okay, and the reason why we get this is because we need to import it here at the top. So we'll just say text, and now we won't have any problems here. But you can see the hello world, it's all the way here. So we don't want it there, so we need to add a styling to it. How do we add a styling on React Native? So we do it in this way, as you might already guessed. As we have here the view, we just say style, then styles that container, and here we add the styles, okay? So what I want to do is I want to add one that's called text. Okay, let's give AI here, maybe I don't want this. Font weight, that's fine. Font size. Okay, yeah, let's just remove this. This is just for the font, and then we have to apply it. So we're not applying it. That's why nothing is happening. Styles.text. And now you'll see that it still looks like this. It's all the way here, but now it's styled. So now we'll just have to add here some, align items, justify content center, and then some padding everywhere. And that's gonna help us get it in the middle, okay? And now we have hello world, and we can make it bigger if you want to. Maybe the font size, sorry, it's not here. So maybe here you can just change it 24, and it'll just make it bigger, okay? All right, you can change the color, you can change many things. You can change, make it blue, make it green. You can, change a lot of things. But for now, we'll just leave it a hello world. And I just wanted to show you how to do the setup of the React Native application that we're going to build. And on the next video, we'll start working on it. So subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to leave a like, leave a comment. And if you have any questions, just let me know. Thank you. And I'll see you on the next one. Bye.